Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage screen and sleep timer on Microsoft Surface Go 3. To do this, let's open our Start and go to the settings. Here find the system and enter power and battery. You should be able to find the screen and sleep right there. Click on the arrow and there's 4 different settings. So on battery power, turn off my screen after, and here you'll be able to adjust the time. When plugged in, turn off my screen after, and you can also select the same time. And the same is for rest of the 2 settings. On battery power, put my device to sleep after, and when plugged in, put my device to sleep after. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.